our notebook work is pending only. So today we will start with the notebook work. I hope you all are ready. So keep your notebook with you and stationery items should be with you. And now we will start with the keywords. Then we will do very short question answers and then short question answer. Okay. So are you all ready? So let's begin the class. So firstly we will start with the keywords and here firstly you will make heading lesson number 11 we save water. Make a heading lesson number 11 we save water. We save water. And what is the date today? Today is 5 October 2020. Write down the date and here write down the classwork. After that, make a heading of keywords. Make a heading of keywords. Firstly, we will do keywords. So, first keyword, we are starting with the first keyword. Now, first keyword is plenty. Plenty. P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty. What is the meaning of plenty? Plenty means a lot of things. Okay, plenty means a lot. Means we should drink plenty of water in a day. हमें बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. Okay, so this is the first keyword plenty. P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty. Plenty. Then we are starting with the second keyword. Second keyword is shortage. Shortage means lack of something. Lack of anything, that is known as shortage. S-H-O-R-T-A-G-E, shortage. Shortage means it can be a lack of water, it can be lack of rain. Okay, so this is about the shortage. S-H-O-R-T-A-G, shortage. The next is wide. Wide means big area. See, I'm telling you with the one example. This is a one container which have wide mouth, means big mouth, bigger area. And the next keyword is narrow. Narrow means which is having a very small area. Okay, so this is the wide one and this is the narrow one. I hope that with this example it is clear to you all that what is the meaning of wide and narrow. Wide means the bigger area, okay, and the narrow means that small area is narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow. W-I-D-E, wide. Okay, the next is meant. Mend means to make something correct. किसी चीज को ठीक करना उसे बोलते हैं mend. Like cobbler mend our shoes. Okay, next keyword is reuse. Reuse. With the name we can understand the meaning of this keyword, like reuse. Again किसी चीज को use करना, that is reuse. Okay, so this is reuse. Now next is evaporate. What is the meaning of evaporate? Water changes into water vapor and this process is known as evaporation. And evaporate means water vapors जो भाप बन के जा रहे हैं, मतलब steam बनकर ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं in the sky, that is evaporate. Okay, now next is last keyword. This is polluted. P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D, polluted, to make something very dirty. किसी जगह को गंदा कर देना, that is polluted. Okay, so waste from factories and industrial areas are going into the going on the land and in the water bodies, so it polluted our environment. इससे हमारा एनवायरनमेंट पोल्यूट हो रहा है. And also that smoke from factories, it is also polluted our air. So it means polluted means to make something dirty, to make the environment dirty. So these were the keywords. Again I am repeating it. First one is plenty, shortage, wide, narrow, meant, reuse, evaporate and polluted. So these are the 8 keywords. Now we are starting with a very short question answer. After this, make a heading of very short question answer. Very short question answer. Short question answer. Starting with the first question. Now what is first question? Which is the main source of water on the earth? I hope you all know the answer. Which is the main source of water on the earth? Which is the main source of water on the earth? Yes, you all are absolutely right. The rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. जो रेन है वही है जो मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर है. From the rain our oceans are totally full with the water. Oceans, ponds, rivers, वहाँ पर सबसे पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है? Rain, snow, चीज़ों से. From like mountains, snow melts and go into the streams and make the rivers. Okay. Write it down. Which is the main source of water on the earth? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Okay. Now starting with the second question. Name any two vessels. Vessels हम किसी बर्तन को कहते हैं, किसी कंटेनर को कहते हैं vessels. Name any two vessels for storing water. For storing water. We have to tell any name of any two vessels जिसमें हम water को store करके रख सकते हैं. So I am writing here two vessels used for storing water are, see I am writing more than two and you can write any two of them. जो आपको अच्छे लगे उनमें से you can write any two of them. So are buckets, drums, pot and bottles. So we can use these two vessels used for storing water are buckets, drums, pots and bottles. So you can write any two of them. So these are the containers, these are the some vessels which we can use to store the water. Now students, giving you few seconds to write it, then I will start with the short question answer. is done. Now we are starting with the short question answers. So everyone just make a heading of short question answer now. Make a heading of short question answer. Like this. Okay, so today we will do only one short question answer. In the next session, we will do the second one. Okay. So, first is why do we have a. So, question number 1 is why do we have shortage of water? Why do we have a shortage of water during summer? During the summer season, you can see there is a lot of shortage of water. So they are asking why do we have a shortage of water during the summer? Firstly, write down this question, then we will start with the answer. I will explain why do we have shortage of water during summer. Okay, so as you all know, because of too much heat of sunlight, all the ponds, rivers, oceans are just dry up. Okay, so because if all the rivers and oceans are dry, how can we get the water? We cannot get water. And why it is just totally dry up? Because of the less rains, right? Because of less rains. And why less rains are there in the during summer season? Because of heat. And second reason is by cutting down the trees or forest, so it causes less rain. Okay, so now we are writing the answer. Write it down. We have a shortage of water during summer. As many sources of water as many sources of water such as, here we are giving the names of some sources of water, such as ponds, lakes, dry up. Sources of water such as ponds, lakes dry up because of less rain. Because of less rain. Okay. So this is the question number first of short question answer. Again I am repeating. Why do we have a shortage of water during the summer season? We have a shortage of water during summer as many sources of water such as ponds, lakes are dry up because of less rain. Okay, अगर rain ही नहीं होगी तो water कहाँ से आएगा ponds से? Because of the heat of sunlight, तो सारे क्या हो जाते हैं? Dry हो जाते हैं. सारे sources of water dry हो जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारे घर तक पानी नहीं आ पाता. As you all know, हमने उसमें पढ़ा था in the chapter number 7 हमने read किया था about the कैसे हमारे घर तक water आता है, right? And I told you about the 4 process. First was water from rivers goes to the big machines, and those big machines are known as water treatment plants, and from water treatment plants it goes to the big tanks, and from big tanks it come at our home. अब अगर रिवर में ही वाटर नहीं होगा तो क्या हमारे घर तक वाटर आ सकता है? No. So for that we should not cut the trees, we should not cut the forest. Okay, so by doing this we can save the water, we can get the water in summer also. Okay, again last time I'm repeating this question. We have a shortage of water during summer as many sources of water such as ponds, lakes dry up because of less rain. So students, that is all for today. In the next session we will start with the question number 2 of short question answers and long question answers we will do. I hope you all enjoyed it and did it in very good handwriting in your notebooks. So I'm giving you homework. No, not today. Tomorrow I will give you the worksheet. Okay, so worksheet of this chapter, and do learn these 3 questions. आपको ये 3 questions learn करने हैं, साथ ही साथ we will do the revision. Do learn these 3 questions जो भी आज हमने किए हैं. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.